So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And now we're going to scroll down until we find camera. You want to click on that. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. And make sure that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. And you want to find Microsoft Teams. Make sure that you have Microsoft Teams turned on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand cameras. And now you want to find your webcam. Make sure that it's been enabled. So you want to right click on it. If it says for your enable device, you want to select enable. This should now enable your webcam. For the next step, you want to go to Microsoft Teams and you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on settings. Once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select devices. And now you want to scroll down on the video, make sure that you have your camera selected. This should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.